That's where we go, Mt Vaea. Oi.
Kia ora tarapulava. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen.
Boleh lo kasulu.
And tarapulava
New
to
program.
our viewers and listeners from overseas. On my right here we have James Key. He's one of the tour guide from Tulaele. On the other side of the car, you have seen Sister Vailangi and Marka Alauia. We just arrived here at the Vailima Botanical Garden. This is Samoa's National Botanical Garden. Yes.
Chris. Kalau dia ulo aku ini mana kalau mai ulo.
Mai ke kangan penga kangan just aki nga just.
Yeah, you can adjust. Yes.
Eu fui ngaruh kat valeu. Kasta.
Here's James now. So if you need a ride when you come into Samoa, just give us a ring or contact James or Langi at
Drive my tree.
Get yourself. Yes. You walk out, it's too far.
Warm up. Stress.
Oh yes. Oh my God.
Way go up to the mountain.
The Golden Mountain. Vailima, Botanical Garden.
Ina sa ko ina. Yengulo ko ingo se ba. Al lo ko ai ni ko. Asu mo lo ba ingo ni so lo fa ingo ko. Ro fa ingo lo mengi. Ol Vailima. Ele ngamo mai asu idi ma.
Vailima. Aro ko ko. Ya, lo mako. Tu akai.
Welcome back. Dia la uwa so.
Welcome.
Ika male la lunga ya elunga le monga. Ai. Ko sir fia. Ciao. O le mele ko ki fusu e lunga. Ko sir fia la. O ma ko ngi ko lima ma ko. E o me lunga yo. Pe ko kasi la ku one man stand la we.
Oh.
Ya. Ko ka ka ma ko kala me mosing afai ku la la ngai fa yes fin ka ke le mele la ma ko. So this is the Vailima or the Samoa National Botanical Garden. As you see here, you see a beautiful forest, you see a beautiful area. So if you ever come to Samoa, come and visit here. This is a beautiful place. Yes.
The tour guide. Sorry, RLS Spool Ngole Museum Lumayo. Mike. Oh, sick. Yeah, get ready lah. Higher milk.
Gonna go up, have a look at Robert Rui Stevenson's tomb. So that's in Mt Vaea. We're just starting up the hike up this trip here.
Yeah.
Nice day. Hear a bit of thunder up in the sky.
Yeah, I know.
Should be alright. Half time.
Half time. Break.
No. 15 minutes break. Đi cầu qua đủ lại cái đúng ngày đúng. I ask you. Nếu các cô phát cổ sao này đúng. Which one you prefer? 40 minutes walk. 30 to 45 minutes. So, lang long. Yeah, do bang like
Camilo.
depois pa ila. So,
Kusao. So ko sila đi. Ko sẽ sila đi. Cô ba vậy, ở đây xí long, ở đây xí sốt bôi mồ.
ako wole. Ako wole le show. Ako may dalo le long. Ako wole show ako may dalo le long. Now we're taking the short way. Yes. Sweet.
After you.
This is what you call short way.
Ah. Wow, Mike.
And burn off all the spit.
Well, you surely know that you are more than 100 or 200 kilos weight. Come here to Samoa. Look for this place.
Like who? Bây rồi.
Your weight.
Bây rồi.
Come and be like me. Oi.
Yeah. Fungokilia. Robert Louis Division. Elikus Kala. So far so good up here.
Te fai ngō whierne. A whares fukasi. Ai mō kai ngeira. E o le wake are spuru rua. Ai whikarai e. Mō winga a whai kūra na mi hoke anga makoa e ai mama ke lere mi o vai. Ia. O wa ai. Winga whai kore nginga re aore o pereki. E mawai a fure wa ia gini. Ai, mangai, maros kingo. Kole ni malos, ai malos.
What do you got, mate?
So far, I haven't done any exercise in a long time.
Yeah.
Nice view up here.
Good camp. Okay.
Come on, come.
Lawful.
Oh, the kuya.
I don't know where that is. East, north, south.
Probably.
Northwest, west, east.
What I mean is, I think Samoa is on the other side, so it might be north. This is south. I think it's sorry, really west, north, south, west, east. Yes. Yeah, because I was a long time staying overseas, so that's why you come here. Set everything up, sir.
First time, oh?
100 times.
FMLA.
Oh yeah, my first time here. It's my first time here. 20 minutes?
15 minutes. Kahomengalung.
It's probably only 20 minutes or 15 to 20 minutes.
Ndi wafula kauku. Kilo mau koi.
Ngaya iwo ka koki ngai. O lingor fia sa wa sa mo ya poronga mai isu ele.
Ya wala lengka ko kami mo.
Ho. Ho.
Sa la wala lang ko uso mai.
Mara ya ki li ako sa sumo mela. Oh.
Pero malol.
Lepi sa mai.